Hello guys, good day sa inyong lahat. Welcome guys sa aking YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, napadaan ako dito sa aking kaibigan, may-ari ng shop. Siya pala guys ay from Bangladesh. Mini refrigerator need seal for the need money. If you need a fan blade,
Yes.
fan motor, fan blower,
Yes, water pump.
yeah, water pump.
Too. Vacuum machine, vacuum cleaner.
All
Anytime
is
there's a
working here,
problem,
huh?
Yes.
You too much work. See also the parts,
Yeah.
many parts, no?
The parts cannot work.
Yeah.
The small parts take the too much tension, go to the align,
Yes.
go to you buy from there.
Yes, must be your small parts.
Yes.
You keep one
Yes.
area if you need very
Yeah,
fast.
after 6 months, that part is needed.
Yeah.
So where will we go?
Yeah.
It should be round, and then check up. Oh, this is okay. This is okay. This is not okay. Even one fuse.
Yes. Even very small parts, no?
Yeah. See, this refrigerator is 110.
Yeah.
But I did not found in align 110 compressor. Then I making 220.
220 compressor, huh?
Yeah. This is line is 110.
Mm.
Huh? This is going to the circuit to the 110. The 110 I buy.
You put contactor?
Yeah, this is the
Ah.
110. This is 220. This is 220.
Yeah. It's good.
Right?
Yeah.
If that same, no, what else we do? Now
Yeah.
system. If I now is working here, this is 110 is contact. This
Yeah, it's
Pushing.
good guys.
220 is direct work.
Yeah, it's good idea.
Huh?
Good idea. Compressor is to 220
220.
and then the
Other all parts is 110.
110 inside.
Yes.
Good idea.
If that
Now it's working, huh?
yes, working. Very nice working.
Yeah.
See, this when I pushing.
Oh. Good idea, boss. Mm.
If the dot system making cannot working,
Yeah.
should be like that working should be
This one is new compressor.
new compressor. But 110 is very expensive.
Yeah, also 110 is pieced out. I
Yes.
think.
When I buy 220, okay, no problem. I can making the only.